Welcome back to another video from Precious Now. Today's video is going to be about ECIL Recruitment 2021. Viewers who are unable to watch the video till the end due to any sort of issues that you might be facing, we have provided a link in the description box where you can get to read all of the information at one place. Alternatively, you can also head over to Google and search for ECIL Recruitment 2021 Freshers Now, and as you click on the Freshers Now website, you can get to read all of the information at one go. And also, if you want regular job updates and also the information regarding the recruitments or the notification, you can join our Telegram group. The link to join the group will be placed in the description, so don't forget to check it out.
Before we begin, just make sure to subscribe to our channel Freshers Now and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest videos from Freshers Now.
Here are some basic details. The organization name is Electronics Corporation of India Limited. Post names under this organization are Scientific Assistant, Contract, Junior Artisan on contract again, and Office Assistant, and this particular post also will be on contract basis. There are 111 vacancies. The starting date for application has already begun and the walk-in dates are 17th and 18th of April 2021. The job location will be in Mysore, Karnataka. Here is the official website. You can check out the official website if you need further information. Heading over to the vacancies in particular for each of the posts and also the categories that you are belonging to, the number of the vacancies will be however differing. For Scientific Assistant A on contract, the domain trade, electronics and computers or instrumentation, we have 6 vacancies. For electrical, we have 6. Same for mechanical and chemical as well. For all of these streams which I have mentioned, there are 6 in each. Now, these 6 in each are divided into category wise, which means for UR, you have 11 vacancies, EWS, you have 1, OBC, you have 6, SC, you have 4, and ST, you have 2 vacancies. Heading over to the next category or the next post, Junior Artisan on contract. Even for this post, we have the trade division, which is electronics and computers or instrumentation, electrical, fitter, and chemical plant operator. Now, for electronics and computers or instrumentation, we have 18 vacancies. For electrical, you have 30. For fitter, you have 20, and for chemical plant operator, you have 18 vacancies respectively. Now, these posts are further divided into category wise. For UR, you have 39. For EWS, you have 4. For OBC, you have 23. For SC, you have 14. For ST, you have 6. Now, the next post, Office Assistant on contract basis, you have only 1 vacancy, and that 1 vacancy belongs to the UR category. Now, let us see what are the total number of posts we have. Total number of posts are 111. These 111, let us see how it is divided into category wise. For UR, you have 51 in total, EWS you have 5, OBC you have 29, SC you have 18, and ST you have 8 vacancies respectively. Heading over to the education requirement that the officials are looking in for the post of Scientific Assistant A on the contract, the qualification requirement is as follows. For electrical and communication or instrumentation or electrical or mechanical disciplines, the requirement is a first class diploma in electrical, electronics or electronics and communication, power electronics, industrial electronics instrumentation or process instrumentation, mechanical, robotic and automation engineering from any institute which should be recognized by the State Board of Technical Education. For chemical discipline, first class BSc degree with chemistry from any recognized institute or university, and also should have HSC or a 12th standard intermediate with MPC or PCM background only, or a first class 3 years diploma course after their SSC along with a 2 years diploma after a full-time 12th standard with a first class vocational course of 2 years from the government approved Polytechnical Institute in the chemical discipline. And for junior artisan on contract, the qualification is for electronics and communication, instrumentation, electrical fitter should have an ITI 2 years in the trades of electrical, electronics, power electronics, industrial electronics, instrumentation or process instrumentation, mechanical fitter, diesel or mechanic. For chemical plant operator CPO, minimum should be 60% of marks aggregate in HSC 12 standard with physics, chemistry and mathematics as their subjects. Or minimum carrying 60% of marks in SSC with their science background or mathematics background along with their trade certificate, which should not be less than 1 year duration in their chemical plant operation, or should have passed the ITI AOCP attendant operator chemical plant NCTVT in chemical plant operation. Office assistant on contract for this particular post should have passed BSc, BA, BCom or any sort of degree from the recognized institute or university. Heading over to the experience that they are looking in for. For scientific assistant A on contract, minimum 2 years of post-qualification experience at supervisory level in operations and maintenance of substations. And for mechanical or chemical process industries, preferences shall be given to the candidates with more than the relevant experience that they are having in that particular field. For junior artisan on contract, minimum 2 years of experience, post-qualification experience in the field of operation and also the maintenance of substations in the fields which are mentioned here on the screen along with the relevant experience that they have. For the next post, office assistant on contract, minimum 2 years of experience, post-qualification experience in the field of office up, keeping the security regulations and also handling up the manpower entry and exit at the workplace. Preference again will be given to the candidates who have the relevant experience in their field of study. The selection process. The selection will be made strictly on the basis of merit. The candidates have to qualify in the written test and also the trade test. The weightage is for 40 and 60% of marks respectively. There shall be no interview as such conducted. The final merit list will be prepared considering the score of both the written test and the trade test as followed. Here is the age limit. Again, according to the category that you are belonging to, the age limit will be differing. The upper age limit for the candidates is 25 years of age. Reservation and relaxations. SC or ST or OBC or PWD, EWS, J and K residents will be as per the government directive. Relaxation marks. First class is relaxed to second class with 50% of marks in their aggregate for SC and ST candidates. Age relaxation is for 5 years for SC and ST candidates, 3 years for OBC and 10 years relaxation for all the PWD category candidates. The pay scale for scientific assistant A on the contract basis, it is 20,000 respectively, and for junior artisan on contract the pay scale will be starting from 18,000, and for office assistant the contract pay will be 20,000 pay scale will be the starting. And if you want to read about this particular recruitment or if you want to know more about each vacancies in detail, you can check out the link which will be placed in the description box, and you can get to read all of the information at one place. Furthermore, if you have any doubts or if you need any clarifications, do place them in the comment section and we will answer them. Subscribe to our Freshers Now channel, and thank you for watching.